Bear Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some jalapeno cornbread with a secret ingredient, Uncle Steve's shake, the dessert shake. Oh hell yeah, you ain't got some, go get some. UncleSteveShake.com. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!
Back to the cornbread. Oh hell yeah. That's damn. Now we're popping in these Gouda goat cheese poppers. Oh hell yeah. Let's try some of this Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake cornbread. Oh hell yeah. Full of jalapenos, a little bit of sweet red peppers. Woo! She's smoking hot. Let's try a piece of this jalapeno Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake cornbread. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Man, that is rocking. Made a little mess, but we're all right. Damn, it's not hot at all. That cornbread rocks. Oh hell yeah. Go make yourself some. So simple and easy. Pop it in. Cooked a little longer than I expected, but damn. Oh hell yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next cook.
Give me a hell yeah!